Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to gift Nitro Discord to someone through your phone. First thing first, open the Discord app on your smartphone. Tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner to open the user settings. Scroll down and select Nitro Gifting under the Billing Settings section. Choose the type of Nitro you want to gift, like Nitro with Boosts or Nitro Basic. Select your preferred plan and enter your payment details and complete the purchase via Google Play, Android or Apple Pay on iOS. After a successful payment, you'll receive a gift link. Copy and share that link with your friend via DM or however you prefer. Your friend can redeem it by clicking the link and logging into their Discord account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.